Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Art and Craft. Feel free to watch and learn stuff we need. Eye pin, pearl beads, sequins flower and small pearl beads. Today we are making pearl earrings. Before we start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my latest update. Let's start. Take a eye pin, add one small pearl bead, take a big pearl beads, add to the eye pin, then flower beads. This is a flower bead. Attach this needle, then close the eye. Bend this eye pin tightly to this flower, sequence flower. If you like my tutorial, please like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.